Are you struggling to get traffic to your website? Have you thought about creating your own ad campaigns but worried that you don't have the know-how or tech skills to succeed? But you would like to have the skill set to drive thousands of visitors to your website. If you have little to no experience with pay-per-click campaigns, this course can help you. You will learn the proven formula for setting up your ad campaigns without making all the common beginner mistakes. Microsoft Advertising provides high-quality pay-per-click ads traffic, but it takes time to learn all its features and to use this platform to generate high-quality, low-cost clicks. I want you to skip through your learning phase fast and start using Microsoft Advertising the right way from the beginning. By the end of this course, you will know how to set up professional pay-per-click campaigns so that you can get loads of quality clicks and grow your customers. So even if you have no tech skills, the lessons in this course have been structured in a simple step-by-step format. You will follow along a live campaign setup process in which all the main elements are explained. At the end of the course, you will know how to set up a Microsoft Advertising campaign in under 20 minutes, how to choose the right keywords and get highly targeted traffic to your offer, how to avoid the dangerous beginner mistakes which are costly and off-putting to people who are just starting out, and I will show you how to get ideas for your ad copy so that your ads stand out from other ads. My goal in this course is to get you started creating and managing your own campaigns as soon as possible. Enroll today and discover how to get high-quality traffic using Microsoft Advertising.